These pistachio cookies have a little secret. And it's not just the pistachios. There's one more ingredient that makes them incredibly soft. But I'll tell you about that a little later. Let's start with the dough. We need half a cup of softened butter. Beat the butter for a few seconds until smooth and creamy. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Beat again until the butter becomes light and fluffy. Now add about 3 tablespoons of sweet pistachio paste. This is where that rich pistachio flavor comes in. And look at that beautiful color. Add 1 egg and mix until completely combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of semolina and about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped pistachios. The semolina helps give the cookies their texture, while the pistachios add even more flavor. By the way, which flavor would you choose first, pistachio or chocolate? Let me know in the comments. Now it's time for the flour. I'm using about 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, along with half a teaspoon of baking powder. Don't add all the flour at once. The exact amount can vary, so add it gradually. We want a soft dough that comes together easily. If it's already soft and easy to work with, you don't need more flour. If it feels too soft, add a little more. Just be careful not to add too much, or the cookies can become dry. Now bring the dough together with your hands. It should be soft, smooth, and easy to shape. If you enjoy simple homemade desserts without complicated techniques, you'll probably like this recipe. And if you do, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Now, let's shape the cookies. Take a small piece of dough and roll it into a ball. Try to keep them roughly the same size so they bake evenly. Then, place them on a baking tray. You can leave them round or make them slightly oval. I like keeping the shape simple. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until lightly golden. While the cookies are baking, let's make the secret part. For the syrup, combine 2 cups of sugar with 2½ cups of water. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Then add some fresh lemon zest and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The lemon helps bring out the nutty flavor of the pistachios and keeps the syrup from tasting too heavy. And now, our secret ingredient is ready. Once the cookies are hot, pour the warm syrup over them and let them absorb it. This is what gives these cookies their signature soft, syrup-soaked texture. It may look like a lot of syrup at first, but the cookies will soak it all up. And now, look at the result. Golden on the outside, soft inside, and packed with pistachio flavor. Would you try a cookie soaked in syrup? Or do you prefer your cookies crisp? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed watching, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next recipe.